today we discuss about set one first. Set one first. Okay, I need some student do this exercise. Okay, Muhammad Atil. Muhammad Atil ada tak Muhammad Atil? Muhammad Atil.
Ada saya.
Okay, Atil cuba try nombor 4A. Nombor 4A. Nombor 1A. Atil.
InsyaAllah.
Try this one. Okay, Atil. Okay, number 1B. B. Okay, Muhammad Daniel. Daniel ada Muhammad Daniel. Daniel.
Ada.
Okay, Daniel number B1 Daniel. Okay, B2. Amir Irsad. Amir ada Amir. Amir Irsad. Amir. Amir tak ada Amir.
Ada.
Okay, Amir. Okay, Amir try nombor B tak salah tak apa ni kita nak tengok. Yang penting hari Khamis betul. Hari ni salah tak apa. Okay, number 2 number 2.
Doktor. Doktor post dulu dalam WhatsApp group.
Oh, dia belum masuk tak ada dalam tu. Okey. Oh, tadi orang lain ni. Okey, mana? Okay, boleh tengok you can find the question. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2. Siapa number 2 ni? Okay, you number 2 you. You number 2. Okay, Faik ada Faik.
Ada doktor.
Okay, Faik try ni. Tak salah tak apa Faik. Yang penting ada Khamis betul. Ni salah.
InsyaAllah saya try lah.
Try dulu. Kalau salah tak apa. Ni tak ada jawapan ni. Okay, Ang Chen Hian. Ang ada Ang. Okay, Ang Chen. Okay, 3B.
Doktor. Saya tadi dua kan? Dua roman. Ya.
Awak ni tadi Faik mana Faik ni? Okay, Faik dua.
Okey.
Okay, B. Okay, Irsa ada Irsa.
Ya, saya ada.
Okay, Irsa nombor 2A. B1.
B1, okay.
Nabila Najwa. Nabila ada Nabila.
Ada.
Okay, Nabila tu B tu Nabila.
Okay.
Okay, nombor 4, nombor 4 Okay, ni siapa ni? Nampak ada orang ni. Fatin ada Fatin. Fatin ada tak Fatin? Fatin Hatira.
Ada doktor.
Okay, Fatin. Okay, ni Lilita. Okay, last. Lilita. Number 4 tu. Okay. Okay, try this one Number 4. Okay, you already done number 2. Okay, you okay. Okay, next. Okay. Okay. Okay, number 2, number 3, okay, finish. Next. Okay. I mean, open. Choose. Okay. Okay, siapa punya tak ada nombor ni? Ada nombor ni. Oh, 1A. Hello? Hello? Next. Okey, nombor apa ni? Bila nombor 3B. Okey. Okey, 3B1. Okey, next. Okey, siapa ni? Okey, Irsa. Sabobi. Okay, next. 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 Okay, sampai pun. Ya, harus Kita try. Mana ni? Okey. Bergema. Okey. Okey, dah siap ya? Okey, kita tengok jawapan ya, tengok jawapan kawan kamu ni. Okey, tengok jawapan. Okey, tengok nombor satu number one. Okey, an experiment is conducted to select a suitable catalyst for the production of dispersion for cleaning of oil. Okay, suppose Dr. Aziz, chemical engineer, and select 3 catalysts for testing from 10 different purposes. Okay, number one is correct. This one is wrong. Okay, if you see this one, what is the distribution? What is the distribution for this one? For question number one. Hello. Okay. Okay, what is the distribution? Number one.
Hypergeometry.
Hypergeometry. This one, if you see this one is hypergeometry. You do consider binomial. This is wrong. This is wrong. When wrong, it is. I just give you just 1/4. This one. Okay, for hypergeometry, what is the value n? Capital N. Capital N. What is the value capital N?
10.
Okay, N 10. Okay, what is the value K?
4.
4. Okay, what is the value N, small n?
3.
3. Okay, what is the question is not more than 1. Not more than 1, is this okay? This one is wrong. Okay, this one wrong. You must using hypergeometry. Hypergeometry distribution. Okay, this one wrong. Okay, must carefully for this one. Okay, number B1. Okay, this one still wrong. Okay, number 1B. Number 1B, okay, this one problem, repair. Okay, this one is Poisson. Poisson 2 for 1 kilometer is okay. The question is 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer we can get, this one is okay. The question between. Between it is okay. Not equal, it is okay. Okay, the answer is okay. Okay, this is just 2 marks. If you correct, you can get 2 marks. Okay, number 2B. Okay, 2B. Okay, what is the probability there? Okay, for number 2B, what is the distribution? What is the distribution? Okay, 2B it is wrong. This one is wrong. And look, say the question is what is the probability that there will be more than 3 kilometers? The unit is 3 kilometers. Kilometers, what is distribution? Portion or exponential? Number B2, if you see the number B1, okay, I think it looks at the number B1.
Exponential.
What is the probability that there will be between 3 and 9 potholes. Potholes is the number. Pothole. If you see number 2, this is the difference. What is the probability? There will be more than 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer. The unit is 3 kilometer. It is measurement. Okay, what is the distribution? I mean, the number B2.
Exponential.
Exponential, exponential. Okay, what is the value lambda? What is the value lambda? Yeah, I think look at lambda is 2 for 1 kilometer. 1 per kilometer. And lambda is equal to for this one, just a straightforward lambda is 2 using exponential distribution P will be more than 3. As more than 3, it is equal E minus lambda. Lambda is 2 times 3. We can get this one, E minus 6. Okay, try calculate from calculator. Okay, number 2. Okay, this one is wrong. Number 2. Okay, looks the number 2, 1. Okay, for this one, what is the probability the edge motor selected from a shipment is third motor from be defective? Okay, the defective is 0.05 is okay. The question is 8 motor, it is okay. Okay, you can get a 3 mark. Okay, number 2, 2. Okay, the quality 20 motor. Okay, rejected. Okay, for this one. Okay, looks at the question for this one. Okay, number 2, 2. Okay, P is 0.95 is okay, N is 20 is okay. Defective. Okay, for this one, we want to find look the question. Okay, what is the probability if the sample contain more than 2 defective, more than 2 is defective, more than 2. Okay, more than 2 is okay, defective. Okay, it is equal. It is just straightforward. It is for this one. It's just straightforward. Rejected. The punya P is 0.05. This one 0.05. Okay, looks from the table. PS greater than 2, it is equal 1 minus PS less or equal 1 for this one. If you look from the table, it is equal table 0.9245. We can get the answer is 0.0755. Your answer is this one is wrong. Looks this one it is not equal. Kalau equal, kita boleh gunakan rumus ni. Faik pernah faham Faik lawan okay, tapi looks this one is less or equal 7. Less or equal 7, you cannot using this one. You must calculate one by one. Start from 0 until 7. Kena kira, kalau nak kira macam ni boleh, tapi kena kira satu daripada 0 sampai 7. This one is right.
Okay.
Okay, you can get 1/3. Okay, number 3. Number 2, okay, 2B ada. Awak buat minum berapa ni? Siapa ni? 28. Okay, ni nombor 3, salah nombor ni. Siapa buat ni? Okay, Elsa patut 3 ni, Elsa. Ni 28 ni. Irsa buat mana ni Irsa? B1, B2. Okey, Irsa ni salah ni. Patutnya B, nombor 3 B 3 ni. Okey, nombor berapa ni? Okey, look nombor 3A. Okay, 3A. Okay, 3A is okay. Okay. What is the probability exceed 3 years? 3 years, it is okay. 3 years is equal. This one okay. This one using binomial is okay. Using binomial. 3 over. Okay, 3B. 3B2. B2. Nabila. Okay, this one. Mana buat ni Nabila ni? Okay, this one is wrong Nabila. Nabila, this is salah ni. Lepas tu kalau P SI minus mu less than 0.25 sigma 0.95, it is equal P X minus mu, ini kena buat ni, negatif 0.25 sigma, sini adalah 0.25 sigma sama dengan 0.95. Okey, lepas tu kalau tengok rumusnya, ini S bar. Okey, rumus Z is equal for S bar, mu bagi dengan sigma bagi punca N. Kalau kita tengok yang ni, X minus mu adalah sini, dia dah ada. Kita cuma bagikan dengan sigma bagi tu. Jadi kita akan dapat, we can get P 0.25 sigma divided by sigma N. It is equal Z, it is equal sigma. It is 0.95. Okay, look from here. Tengok gambar raja dia ni, gambar raja dia 0.95. 0.95. Okay, we want to find what is the value alpha. This one is 0.05. Okay, the alpha, what is the value of the alpha for here? 0.05. 1.449. From here we can get 0. Okay, kita akan dapat di sini. This one is the alpha. 0. Ini boleh matikan we can get. From here we can get N is equal. Berapa ni nak N? Okay, N is 61 Masih okay, so wrong this one 0.025 0.025. Okay, sini this one is 1.96. 1.96. Okay, if you solve this problem, you can get N is equal 61 66. Okay, number 4. Okay, number 4. Number 1. Okay, this one is wrong Apa buat pattern this one is wrong. If the question is pattern tengok the question adalah exactly 85%. Kalau ada percentage itu adalah proportionnya proportion, sampling proportion. Pattern tengok soalan dia. Kalau tengok P dalam sini 0.85, exactly 80%. Exactly this one is P not X. P, it is equal 0.48. Okay, for this one kena buat macam dulu kena buat sisi dulu. 0.85 minus 1 bagi 2n P bagi dengan 0.85 plus 1 bagi 2n. Pattern kena buat teruskan ni pattern. Pattern faham Pattern.
Okey, betul.
Okay, kalau tengok ni, kalau tengok soalannya, kalau percentage kena gunakan proportion ni. Kalau bilangan kita gunakan taburan binomial. Okay, and last kali Lalita. Okay, Lalita is okay. Okay, 0.5. Lalita less than 10%. Awak gunakan greater. Okay, it is okay lah. Okay, Lalita chain less than 10%, it is equal greater than 0.9. It is okay. The answer is 0.973. Okay, this one Lalita will get 3/3. Okay, we'll discuss about the other question. Okay, looks like kita discuss about chapter 2, test 2, set 2. Okay, set 2 this one. Okay, what is the distribution before this one? Okay, for this one, P is 10%, 0.1, defective. Okay, the number 1, what is the distribution? Binomial, negative binomial, geometry, and so on. What is the distribution? Okay, Gagak, distribution apa ni? Okay, now what is the random number box non-defective component? Okay, what is the distribution for this one?
Binomial.
Binomial.
What is the value n? Binomial must have n. Apa n? N is
5.
okay, n is 5. Okay, for this one using binomial, no defective. What is the P? S is equal non-defective. Okay, for this one straightforward, 0, no defective. Jadi for this one using you can using formula or using straightforward from the table. Okay, look from the table. What is the answer from the table? N 5. Is 0.1. Ada tak nilai?
Is it 0.5905?
Ada Besar berapa
14 kalau yang buku kecil.
Okay, ada. 0.1. We can get the answer is 0.5905. Okay, 0.0313. 313. Oh, no, salah. 0.901.
0.5.
Okay, 5905. Okay, number B. Suppose 10 box are random selected at random. Okay, for this one, n is 10. What is the probability that at least 9 of this box have no defective component? No defective component. Okay, what is the value of P?
0.9.
0.9, 0.9 is wrong, this one wrong. This one wrong. Okay, P 0.9 is wrong. Okay, normally the question is based on the question number A. It is related to the question number A. You just take the probability this one, probability from here. Okay, what is the P from here?
0.1.
No.
Oh, yeah, 0.59.
0. Okay, 0.5.
0.5905.
This one. You can use this one, P. P is 0.5905. Okay, from here we can calculate for this one. What is the distribution? Number 1A, 1B. What is the distribution for this one? Negative binomial, geometry, or binomial? What is the probability that at least 9? At least 9. P at least 9. At least 9. Okay. What is the distribution for this one? For this question?
Negative binomial.
Negative binomial, wrong. This one is just binomial, still binomial distribution. Okay, this one is 10 box. With 10 box, what is the at least 9? At least 9 box. Okay, it is equal. PS is equal. If you see the box has 10 box, 10 box. Jadi for this one, S greater or 9, it is equal 9 and 10. This one just 2, and 9 and 10. Okay, from here we can calculate using formula. Formula, this one 10, 9, 0.5905 power 9, 0.4495 power 1 plus 10, 0.5905 power 10, this one power 1, 0.4 power 0. And this one power 0. Okay, you can calculate that from here. Okay, this one you can calculate from here the answer. Okay, we go to straight question number 2. Okay, for highway built on a particular type of terrain on every 3 pothole. It is almost same with the set number 1 question. Okay, what is the probability that there could be between 4 and 10 pothole found in 4 kilometers of the same highway? Okay, what is the distribution for this one? Exponential or Poisson? He not mention about whether Poisson or exponential.
Poisson.
Poisson, okay. What is the value lambda? Lambda is equal 3 for 1 kilometer. Okay, this question, what is the probability? Looks like the question is 4 and 10 hold this one, 4 and okay, we want okay 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer, what is the value lambda? 4 kilometer, what is the value lambda? Lambda is equal 12 dollars. From here we can calculate x is start from 4 x between for this one between 10. Okay, okay, for this one you can calculate. Okay, we go to the number 3. Okay, the question is last semester question. This one, if you see, this one is for 2020, 2021. The semester one. Last semester, this one, the past. The pattern, the exam, the test one likes this one. Pattern, the pattern is almost same. Okay, the number 3. Okay, question 3. An oil company conduct a geological study indicate this one have a 20% chance of cracking oil after drying. Okay, this one is normally P is 0.2. Okay, number one, what is the distribution? What is the probability the second well strike on the third well drill? Okay, what is the distribution?
Negative.
Negative, right? Negative binomial. So, if negative binomial, what is the value x? Okay, what is the value r? Okay, what is the value r?
2.
2. What is the value x? 3, eh? For this one, what is x is 3, eh? Okay, what is the formula? 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1. After that, p power r, right? So q x minus r. Okay, after you can put the value from the formula, we can get the answer. Okay, what is the mean for the distribution mean? What is the polynomial mean for negative binomial? U is q divided by rp. Okay, rp. Okay, the formula is rp. Okay. Okay, number 4. Okay, the number of plots of 26 copper were assumed to Poisson distribution. This one is Poisson distribution. Okay, okay, with average number of plot is equal 4. Okay, for this one, lambda is equal, given lambda is equal 4. 50 wire of the same length are sampled from this population. And 50, 50, what is the 50? 50, and is 50. Okay, what is the probability that the average number of log per sector is less than 3? Okay, what is the distribution for this one?
Poisson.
Okay, this one is Poisson distribution. Okay, how to solve this problem? What is the probability? Look here, much carefully. What is the probability that average? The average for this one is average. When you find average or mean, you must using sampling technique. Okay, for this one, the question is what is the probability, and average. When average, you must put this one. Modulus of ln per. This one is just unit. Copper wire in the sample is less than 3. Okay, for this one, you must using sampling. Sampling z is equal s bar minus mu divided by sigma divided by square root n. Okay, what is the value mu? What is the value mu? What is the value mu?
4.
4. Mu is okay. What is the value variance? What is the value variance?
4.
4.
Okay, sigma just 2. Okay, from here we can get p z less than 3 minus mu is 4 divided by sigma 2 divided by n is 50. Okay, after that you can get the answer. Okay, for this one is carefully, question number 4. Okay, question number 5. Okay, an international semiconductor ship out machine is container. Okay, this one, what is the value of 20? What is the 20? What is the symbol for 20?
N.
N is 20. This is the number of 20 machine. Okay, the probability machine is broken. Broken is P is 0.25. Okay, 40, this one, ship container from the same company was selected and independent. What is the probability that sample mean? For this one is sample mean. Okay, what is the distribution for this one? Okay, 20 is not correct. This one.
Hyper.
Okay, okay. This one, look, say the unit. The unit is very important. What is the value n? 40 or 20? 40 or 20?
40.
20 or 40?
4.
20 or 40, the value n. Yeah, what,
40.
40, yeah? 40. Okay, okay, this one. What is the question? What is the probability? Probability P, the sample mean, between 4 S bar, this one the S bar, sample mean, the number of broken, sample mean from 5.5. Okay, what is the value? Okay, this one is binomial, binomial to post. Okay, what is the value mean? We must find mean is NP and variance is NPQ. N is 0.40 divided by okay, and variance is calculated for this one 0.25 times 0.75. Okay, after that we can using the formula. After you get this one, using the Z is equal S bar minus mu divided by sigma divided by square root n for this one. P4 tolak dengan this one, mu divided by sigma divided by square root n. Sigma this one, mu. Okay, you can continue for this one. Okay, the last question for this one. Okay, the amount we have the data here. Amount time. Okay, 16 students were selected random. Okay, 16 were selected. The n is 16. No. Same for this one, same. Okay, what is the probability? The difference for this one is don't have the difference. Sample mean amount is more than 4 hours. Okay, what is the mathematical for this one?
Modulus P1 minus P2.
Okay, modulus. Okay, S1 minus X2 modulus more than 4. For this one, you can it is equal P. We have to S1 minus X2 greater than 4 plus P S1 minus X2 less than minus 4. Okay. Okay, the mean is this given for this one is mean mu1, this one is standard deviation 1. It is mu2, this one sigma 2. Okay, you can continue for this one. Okay, we discuss the last question for this one, set 3. Okay, for okay, try write the mathematical. What is the value n? What is the value p? Okay, for this one, what is the value?
0.4.
Okay, 0p is 0.4. Okay, what is this distribution for number 1? Okay, n is 8, it is 8 construction. For what is distribution number 1?
Binomial.
Okay,
Binomial.
get non. Okay, what is the mathematical p s is equal
0.
0. Okay. Okay, the number b. What is the probability? Okay, for this one, you can calculate. Okay, try looks from the table. It is equal 0. What is the value for this one? N of 1. N is 8. P is 0.4. 0.0.
0.0168.
Okay, number B. What is the probability that the segments ada S ini ada TS? Biasalah if you find ada TS, what is the distribution for this one? And binomial or negative binomial?
Negative binomial.
Negative.
Negative binomial. What is the value X?
7.
7. What is the value R?
2.
2. Okay, this one, what is the probability that the second contract is the second contract that the firm fail to get? Okay, what is the value P for this one?
0.6.
0.4 or 0.0168?
0.0168.
Normally the question is based on this question. This is related for this one. Same with the number this one. Must carefully this one. Same the question number this one number 1. It is related. A and B is related. Normally P using the number A or number 1. Same for this one. You must using P is equal P is equal 0.01. Okay, for this one we want to find what is the second. S is 7 is equal using the formula 7 minus 1 this one 2 minus 1 P power R Q X minus R using this formula. Okay, after that you can get the answer. Okay, the number 2. Okay, the number car park, industrial lot, random, Poisson. Okay, it is given mean per hours lambda. When Poisson, when the question is Poisson, lambda is equal this one straightforward. The time is 1 hours. Okay.
Doktor, boleh saya tanya soalan tak?
Okay.
Yang soalan 1, 2 Roman tu, macam mana nak tentukan X dengan R? Kalau
X the number trial, R is the number of success. Tengok nak X the number tengok second quarter. This the kejayaan dia biasa kalau tengok S is the number of trial until X success, until R success. Success tu biasa kejayaan dapat sampai macam mana awak tengok, cuba tengok baliklah dia punya kalau binomial negatif bentuk soalan dia. Awak balik tengok soalan bentuk negatif binomial. Tengok yang mana R mana X.
okey doktor.
Tengok sebab ni tak sempat nak. Okay, the number 2. Okay, suppose 2 hours have gone by without any car parking at the industrial parking lot. What is the probability that car will park at the industry parking lot within the next 7.5 hours? What is the soalan nombor 1 ni? What is the probability for this one? Okay, number 2. Number 2, normally for this one is memoryless, less properties. Okay, which one is already occur? Which one is already occur? S greater than already occur. What is the value?
2.
Uh, uh, 2 hours had gone. Okay, for this one, the next, within the next, smaller or greater. And look at the keyword within, less or greater.
Less.
Less, okay, less than. This one 70 minutes, this one 70 minutes, this one is 2 hours. Okay, 70 minutes, berapa 2 hours, 2 hours ni. Okay, this one, berapa hours this one? 75 minutes.
1.25
1 to
hours.
5 to 5, Okay, this one is 2 plus 1.25, 1.25. It is equal P as less than 1.25. Okay, you can find from calculator. This one is E minus lambda. Lambda is 4 times 1.25. You can calculate from here. Okay, the number 2. Okay, what is the distribution? Poisson or exponential? The number 2, this one. Exponential or Poisson? Poisson or exponential? Number 2.
Exponential.
Exponential. How you know exponential?
Time.
Why exponential not Poisson?
Because of time.
Because time, and looks the unit here, the unit is minutes, minutes is exponential, using exponential. Okay, for this one you must change the unit, this one minute, because if you see this one is 4, lambda is 4 for 1 hours, for 1 hours. Okay, 30 minutes, how many hours? 30 minutes, how many hours? 30 minit berapa hours? 30 minit berapa hours? 0.5. 0.5. Kalau 90 minit, 9 minit. 90 minit berapa? 1.5. Okay, you must transform first. It is equal P as 1.5. Okay, you can using exponential for this one. Okay, it is equal F 1.5 minus F 0.5. Try calculate from here. Okay, this one. Okay, the last one. This one. Determine X such the probability no car parking at the industrial parking lot within X hours is 0.05. Okay, pause this one. No car parking. This one. What is the distribution for this one? Okay, this one. Right. No, okay, for this one. Okay, what is the mathematical? Within X hours. Less or greater?
Less. Less.
Less, for this one, and within X, within X, it is 0.05. Okay, what is the formula for here? Look, this one is hours, this one is hours. Okay, what is the apa formula dia ni? X less than X. Okay, it is equal exponential distribution. Exponential when less, it is equal 1 minus e minus lambda x, it is equal 0.05. Okay, teruskan this one we can get e minus lambda x, it is equal 0.95. Lambda is 4, it is equal minus 4x, it is equal 0.95. Okay, from here we can get x is equal. Teruskan boleh teruskan. Okay, we terus number 3. Okay, the alkaline level of water specimen collected from a certain river is approximately distributed normal. Okay, mean is given 50 and standard deviation. Okay, looks like the standard deviation, the symbol is sigma 0.25, 2.5. Okay, 2.5. Okay, this one 2.5. Okay, the question number 1, what is find the probability that water specimen collected river? Okay, below what is the symbol below? What is symbol below?
Less than.
Less than 55. Okay, for this one is straightforward using normal distribution. P Z is equal 54 minus 50 divided by 2.5. Okay, number B. If a sample 20 and is given a collector from river, what is the probability that mean? Okay, for this one, have the mean. Mean it is sampling. Sampling P between 49.5, it is equal S bar. Okay, you can calculate for this one using the formula sampling. Z is equal S bar minus mu sigma divided by square root n. Okay, I think this one is no problem. Okay, the last question. Okay, in manufacture new plant, we had two machine. Okay, same. Okay, machine 1, 5% non-conforming. It is not good. And 4, machine 2 not conforming. Okay, we have two sample. Okay, machine 1. Okay, P is given, P1 is 0.5%. Okay, N1 is equal, what is the value N1? N is given. Berapa nilai N? What is the value N?
100 parts from each machine. So 100 got
100 How do you get 100?
ayat terakhir.
Oh, tu ayat terakhir. Okay, sorry. Okay, 100. Okay, look. Okay, 100. Okay, 100. Okay. And one is 100 and machine 2 pun same. Machine 2. So, okay, P2 4%. 0.04. Okay, and 2 same 100. Okay, what is the probability the sample coming from machine not more than 70%? What is mathematical for this one? Okay, what is the mathematical? This one, P. Apa dia punya mathematical? What is the probability that the sample proportion of conforming part from machine 2, machine 2, just machine 2 from this one. Okay, what is mathematical for this one? P apa ni? P1 or P2?
P2.
Okay, P2 not more. What is the symbol not more? What is the symbol not more?
less than
Less or equal, not more, must
and equal.
not more, not equal. This one is very important, This one is 0.97. Okay, for this one, not more than 0.7. Okay, if you file just single proportion, you must using CC, CC. Okay, for this one, what is the value P? Okay, for this question, what is the value P? For this question, what is the value P? 0.04 or 0.96?
0.0.
0.04 or 0.96? 0.04.
0.04.
0.96.
This one. This one is tricky, tricky question. Look at this one, look there, 5% is non-conforming. Non-conforming. This one non-conforming. For this one is conforming. Then must carefully for this question. If you're wrong, P, the answer is wrong. Okay, for this one you must using this one is P. When equal or less or equal, must put it is equal plus it is equal 0.97 plus 1 divided by 2n. Okay, you can continue for this one. Okay, P is 0.96. Okay, the last question. Okay, what is the probability that different? Okay, when you find the word is different, you must using modulus. Okay, for this one is non-conforming part. Okay, what is the value P? Non-conforming. And non-conforming will non-conforming you using this one. P is 0.05 and 0.04. Must calculate for this one. If the conforming, you must using this one 0.94. Okay, the number for 2 using non-conforming part. P is 0.05 for P1 and P2 is 0.04. Okay, for this one mathematical is like this one. P must have modulus P1 minus P2 less than 1.4%. Okay, for this one, no need to CC. It is straightforward. It is equal 1.4%. Okay, this one is P1 minus P2, 1.4%. Okay, what is the value 1.4%? 0.0. 0.014. This one a negative 0.014. Okay, for this one you can calculate. Okay, you can continue for this one. Continue. Okay, you can continue. You can look at the note how to solve this problem. Okay, any question? Any question for the test? Ada soalan tak nak tanya tentang test? The pattern test is almost same with this question.
Doktor,
Okay.
apa tu CC?
CC is continue correction. Continue correction. For this one is binomial distribution. Binomial distribution to normal. To normal you must using to normal distribution. You must using CC. And looks like from there. This one single proportion. Single proportion must have CC. If two proportion not need CC. Tengok nota balik. Tengok nota balik. Lihat nota for this one. CC, continuity correction. Ada soalan? Any question? Okay, the patterns are almost same like this one. I have the 3 sets question. You can study about this one. Okay, if you don't have any question, okay, the class stop here. Okay, see you on 22 on Thursday. Okay, ada soalan? Tak ada soalan, kita stop we stop here. Okay. If you have any question, you can WhatsApp me.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Okay, see you. Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, doktor.
Okay,
Terima kasih doktor.
okay sama. Kena study balik ni.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, see you.
Terima kasih, Doctor.
Okay, see you.